Mayonnaise-based dipping sauces. Built on an emulsion of oil, egg yolks, and an acid like vinegar or lemon juice, this family provides a rich and creamy coating for fried foods and crispy snacks. Originating in European culinary traditions before expanding globally, the base acts as a blank canvas for seasonings ranging from garlic aioli to spicy remoulades. The high fat content coats the palate, softening sharp or spicy notes in accompanying dishes. That smooth texture makes it one of the most versatile foundations in modern fast food and casual dining. Tomato-based barbecue sauces. Combining cooked tomatoes or paste with vinegar, sweeteners, and spices, this style delivers a balance of tanginess, sweetness, and depth. Roots trace back through American regional cooking traditions, where cookers tweaked recipes using local ingredients like molasses or brown sugar. The natural sugars caramelize when brushed onto hot meats, but the thick consistency also functions brilliantly as a cold dip for nuggets and fries. Its acidity cuts through heavy, savory meals, establishing it as a staple across global barbecue cultures. Dairy-based cream dips. Utilizing sour cream, yogurt, or melted cheeses as a foundation, these sauces offer a cool and tangy contrast to salty or spicy appetizers. Popularized in Western entertaining through ranch and onion blends, they frequently feature herbs like dill and chives alongside garlic powder. The proteins and fats in cultured dairy help neutralize capsaicin, making them the classic accompaniment for hot chicken wings and fresh raw vegetables. Their soothing temperature and rich texture provide immediate balance to aggressive flavor profiles. Soy-based fermented sauces. Derived from fermented soybeans, wheat, salt, and water, this category supplies an intense hit of savory umami to dumplings, sushi, and grilled skewers. Developed thousands of years ago in East Asia as a method of food preservation, the liquid base is often blended with rice vinegar, sesame oil, or ginger for dipping. The light body allows it to coat food delicately without overpowering its original flavor or adding heavy calories. It remains fundamental to balancing salty and acidic tones in Asian cooking traditions. Chili-based hot sauces. Blending crushed chili peppers with vinegar, salt, and sometimes garlic or fruit, these liquid dips range from mild cayenne vinegars to intensely fiery pepper pastes. Indigenous cultures in the Americas cultivated peppers for millennia, creating the groundwork for regional variations like Louisiana pepper sauce or Southeast Asian sriracha. The primary purpose is to elevate temperature and complexity, triggering endorphins while accentuating subtle savory notes in surrounding ingredients. A few drops can dramatically alter the sensory profile of a dish without adding cream or sugar. Mustard-based dipping sauces. Crafted from ground mustard seeds mixed with water, vinegar, and a sweetener like honey, this group delivers a sharp, pungently warm bite. Historical records show ancient Mediterranean civilizations grinding seeds with unfermented wine, creating a paste that migrated across Europe. Adding honey or mayonnaise softens the natural horseradish-like heat of the mustard seed, yielding a sweet and savory emulsion, ideal for pretzel bites, chicken tenders, and sausages. The bright acidity keeps rich, fried foods from feeling overly heavy on the palate. Herb and oil emulsions. Blending fresh herbs, garlic, vinegar, and olive oil without heavy dairy or eggs, these sauces bring a bright, fresh contrast to cooked grains, bread, and grilled proteins. Variations like Argentine chimichurri or Italian pesto rely on fine chopping and raw blending to preserve the volatile aromatics of parsley, basil, or oregano. The natural acidity cuts through rich fats, while the oil carries herbal flavors across the tongue. Their fresh, unheated preparation offers a clean, vibrant contrast to hearty roasted dishes.